Aqua Valley where the Vic Divide turns up, and we are officially saying goodbye to the route. Till next time, I think we need maybe 8 days. Anyway, there we go, Aqua River. Catch you later. Till next time. How good are black cockatoos? We have left the main highway onto the Butts Road, it's called, or Rifle Butts Road, I think it's the other name. Welcome by cockatoos, and there goes all the traffic back to Melbourne. I'd rather drive this than a highway on a day like today. Okay, you just about ready to go for a little ride? Just go slow, bro. Ah, successful flight. Fire's burning up the back of Mount Buller. It would have been a pretty smoky climb up there today, so I guess maybe it's a blessing in disguise pulling out, because we probably would have gone into a very smoky ride. It would have been pretty tough, I reckon, trying to ride up Mount Buller with a cloud of smoke to suck down your lungs all day long. Anyway, back into it. Local single track. Awesome. So we're about to hit the Great Victorian Rail Trail, and it's looking sweet as. Little bike family there. Let's be honest, if you're driving back from Mansfield today, the quicker option would probably be to ride your bike. Oh, water's pretty nice. Pretty bloody cool. So cruised past Bonnie Doon, had a swim, had an ice cream, still got a few k's to go. Very enjoyable kilometres on the Great Victorian Rail Trail. Hope you're enjoying this video. If you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and chuck us a comment if you've got any questions. If you'd like to hear more about Toolangi, the good thing about bikepacking is you can change plans and you have a route in mind, and you know, we'll have lives to get back to and book 5 days, and if you don't make it, there's plenty of options in Victoria, so we're lucky. Look at the view out here, it's just stunning. Parker's Yard. That's where we're at. Oh, good times.
So if you ever wondered how a duplex goes in a rainstorm, the answer is really good.
Only really small thing that you get is sometimes you get a little bit of splashback up from the water dripping down the side here. But as long as you've got the mesh up, it catches any droplets there. So there's a little bit of splashback there you can see on the mesh.
Bit of water around. I might get my shoes inside, my socks.